Investors in XRP, be ready for something exciting. This might be a pivotal moment for your investment. What with 390 million XRP in circulation, big ETF news on the horizon, and other market-shaking happenings. As everyone who has been following XRP closely knows, the market can shift in an instant, and right now there are some major swings that might impact everything. The transfer of 390 million XRP is only one of several signs that the XRP market is getting hotter. These updates, together with XRP's possible ETF clearance, and have the Bitcoin community on edge. But how will these moves affect XRP going forward, and more importantly, your investment? Is this the start of a major event? In this video, we'll take a look at the latest news, explain what's happening, and talk about how this could impact things for XRP holders like you. Things are moving along at a rapid pace, so you won't want to miss a thing. One of the most noteworthy developments in the XRP realm lately has been the transfer of a huge 390 million XRP. Many people have wondered about such a large amount of XRP. Therefore, as an XRP owner, what does it signify and why is it relevant to you? First, we will look at the size of the transaction. The massive transfer of 390 million XRPs suggests a major event is unfolding behind the scenes. This is clearly not a minor transaction. Massive XRP transfers like these are usually linked to large market players or institutional investors like banks. The XRP price is susceptible to the whims of these investors because to their frequent and substantial purchases and transfers. Price increases due to increased demand are a common occurrence, and this can be a sign that wealthy investors are getting interested. Is that why the 390 million XRP transfer happened right now? The shift might be a part of Ripple's ongoing attempts to win over institutional investors, or a prelude to a major announcement about the company's future plans for expansion. It is also possible that some participants are moving XRP in preparation for forthcoming regulatory reform that would increase usage. The effects of such a massive move might make the market more critical. The sudden surge in XRP's value usually serves as a warning signal to investors that something big is about to happen, be it an increase in adoption, positive news from Ripple, or the prospect of a new partnership. Due to increased demand, the price of XRP could go up. Because these fluctuations often indicate future events, they provide XRP holders with an opportunity to look at the bigger picture. What follows is an analysis of the recent ETF announcement and its potential impact on XRP's value, with an emphasis on why this news is noteworthy. Be sure to tune in as we delve into this intriguing advancement. Now let's talk about the ETF news, which is a big deal and could change things for XRP holders. One type of investment fund that is exchanged on stock markets is known as an exchange-traded fund, ETF. It is quite similar to stocks. With the green light for an XRP ETF, traditional investors, such as those with retirement accounts, would be able to. You can get exposure to XRP without actually buying or keeping any of the cryptocurrency if you're a major bank or hedge fund. What is the significance of this? To put it simply, XRP would be a great asset for institutional investors if there was an exchange-traded fund ETF for it. For reasons related to regulation, volatility, and security, these investors have largely shied away from cryptocurrency up until now. On the other hand, XRP might acquire legitimacy and stability through an ETF, expanding its market appeal. The market is quite agitated over the prospect of an XRP ETF, and some analysts are predicting that approval might be on the horizon. If this happens, it might significantly influence XRP's growth. More institutional investors would likely flock to XRP, and the cryptocurrency would gain the legitimacy it needs to be considered seriously by the financial system at large. But why isn't it happening? Obtaining necessary regulatory approvals has been the biggest challenge. There is a lot of unpredictability surrounding cryptocurrency due to the SEC's cautious stance and the continuing legal battles with Ripple. Things, however, are changing. Assuming Ripple's appeal with the SEC is successfully settled, a more transparent regulatory environment for XRP might pave the way for the ETF's approval. To what extent does this impact XRP holders? The launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, might boost XRP's demand. With the ETF, investors who were hesitant to buy XRP directly can now do so, which might lead to a price hike if demand increases. A simple explanation is that if the market reacts positively, the price of XRP could rise because more mainstream investors would have access to it through an ETF. Along with the major announcements about transfers and ETFs, XRP is also going through a slew of other noteworthy events that are setting the stage for potential growth and price increases in the future. What follows is an analysis of recent events surrounding XRP and the factors that may make them significant to those who own the cryptocurrency. The first is the growing interest from institutions. Big names in conventional banking are starting to pay attention to the Bitcoin business, as we have seen before. Because of its usefulness in cross-border payments, XRP is becoming more popular, and more institutions are looking into cryptocurrencies. Partnerships between Ripple and major financial institutions like Santander and PNC show how XRP is becoming a part of the international monetary system. More and more banks and other financial organizations are starting to utilize XRP, which means its demand will grow and the price could go up. The next case is the Ripple SEC lawsuit. Even while this case has XRP holders on edge, it might spell a major turning point for the cryptocurrency. A successful case or peaceful settlement might do more than just clarify XRP's legal status. It could also boost investor confidence. If the lawsuit were to be successful, it may attract further institutional investors, driving up the price of XRP. In addition to increasing demand for XRP, a court verdict might pave the way for Ripple to expand and forge new partnerships. The technical side of XRP is another consideration. While focusing on partnerships is important, Ripple is also constantly improving the XRP ledger to make it faster, more scalable, and more effective. Companies and organizations looking for a cryptocurrency that can securely and quickly handle large transactions are finding XRP even more appealing as a result of these enhancements. As Ripple develops its technology further, XRP becomes a more attractive long-term solution for global payments and financial activities. The global adoption of cryptocurrency is the last point. As blockchain technology keeps proving its utility and governments and financial regulators